عين الهدى مفضي العدا.
It gives you three options. Number one, a group of fives get together and sponsor these families. Number two, a community sponsorship. And if we cannot do anything else, we should donate for this. I was actually very happy to find out this morning when I was walking at the sports field that I met at least 4 or 5 members that their application got accepted yesterday or day before yesterday. And just because through this refugee sponsorship desk's efforts and their help. So my dear brothers, yes, we are enjoying the country, the first world country, but there are your brother, my sister are stuck in places that's unimaginable. Someone asked Dr. Sundar the other day, why don't you put my request first? And he said, okay, I'm going to give you a choice. You tell me who's first. Because it was so much painful to see people that living in a condition, and the request that is coming to humanity first, to this desk, that it's unimaginable. So my dear brothers, I want you to think about it. I want you to ponder about it. If you 5 people can get together and sponsor somebody, that is the first thing. The second is there's a community sponsorship program. And the third is if you cannot do anything, at least you should donate for this. And please contact Refugee Desk at ndia.ca for more information. I think this would be another, as Murabi Shah mentioned, level of shukr on my part, on your part, that Allah has bestowed me or gave me, ability to live this land, and I want other my brothers to come and freely enjoy their religion. The second thing that I would like to request, or I would like to announce, is obviously attendance and some requests for prayers. In Jamaat, when we say we would like to acknowledge, recognize, in actuality it means request for prayers. And our all efforts, good efforts that we do for Jamaat, has to be for the sake of Allah. Not to show off, not to brag about it. So this is why I'm requesting you prayer earnestly for this individual that I'm going to name it. As you know that we haven't planned Ijtima in this side. The actual plan for Ijtima was at Hikam at Bedford. We were told by respected Amir Saab that we had to change it because of some circumstances. So we came here. Okay, we have cops outside waiting for the car number CELB 044. It's blocking the Mosque Gate and Ahmadi Avenue, and there are cops waiting for him. So if you are the owner of this car, I want you to please get up right now and go outside. CELB 044. شريك له وأشهد أن محمدا عبده ورسوله أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله وحده لا شريك له وأشهد أن محمدا عبده ورسوله أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله وحده لا شريك له وأشهد أن محمدا عبده ورسوله. I bear witness that there is none none worthy of worship except Allah. He is one and has no partner. And I also bear witness Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is his servant and his messenger. I solemnly pledge that I shall endeavor throughout my life for the propagation and consolidation of Islam and Deen, and shall stand guard in defense of the institution of Khilafat. I shall not hesitate to offer any sacrifice in this regard. Moreover, I shall exhort all my children to always remain dedicated and devoted to Khilafat. Inshallah. میں اقرار کرتا ہوں کہ اسلام اور احمدیت کی مضبوطی اور اشاعت اور نظام خلافت کی حفاظت کے لیے انشاءاللہ تعالی آخر دم تک جد و جہد کرتا رہوں گا، اور اس کے لیے بڑی سے بڑی قربانی پیش کرنے کے لیے ہمیشہ تیار رہوں گا۔ پلیز میں اپنی اولاد کو بھی ہمیشہ خلافت سے وابستہ رہنے کی تلقین کرتا رہوں گا انشاءاللہ۔